Hello everyone and welcome to frompizzatodalchawal. So today I'll be sharing the recipe of these delicious healthy oats vegetable cutlets. These are so quick and easy to make and are so delicious. You'll never know that these are healthy cutlets. So do check out the recipe and give it a try. जदि आपण ए रेसिपी को ओडिया देखियो चाहछन्ते देन ऊपर थिबा आई बटन रो लिंक को प्रेस करंतु. Let's start the recipe. First take 1 cup of oats in a bowl. Sprinkle a little water and mix well. Keep it aside. Now in a kadai, heat 1 tablespoon of oil. To that add 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds. After it splutters, add 1 teaspoon each of chopped ginger, garlic and green chillies. Saute for a minute. Then add 1 chopped onion. Saute till the onion turns translucent. After that add 1/4 cup of chopped carrots. Saute for 1 to 2 minutes. Then add 1/4 cup of chopped capsicum. Saute for a few seconds. Next add salt as per taste. Half teaspoon each of turmeric powder and red chilli powder. 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper powder. Sprinkle some mixed herbs and mix everything well. Now add 1/4 cup of grated paneer and the oats we soaked before. Add 1 tablespoon of water to bring it all together. Mix everything well and combine. Add few chopped coriander leaves and mix well. Allow it to cool down. Transfer it to a plate. Add 2 tablespoons of brown breadcrumbs, 1 teaspoon of cornflour. Mix well with hands. Our mixture has dough-like consistency now. Grease palms with oil, take a portion and make a ball. Flatten it a little. Prepare all the cutlets like this. Now heat oil on a tawa. Place the cutlets. Shallow fry till golden brown from both sides. You can also deep fry them. Since these are healthy, I am going to shallow fry them. Take out and serve with green chutney and ketchup. So our healthy and tasty oats vegetable cutlets are ready. These are so quick and easy to make and are so delicious. You can have them as any time guilt-free snacks. These are perfect for kids, so do try them out yourselves and let me know how they turned out. So if you like this recipe, do share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.